Hey there, everybody. Today we're going to talk about the difference between observations and inferences. I want you to start by watching a clip, a short video, and while you're watching this short video, I want you to try to notice at least 3 or 4 things about what's going on in the video, and either make a mental note or jot them down on the side of your paper, but just notice what's happening. So what did you notice? Did you notice what I was wearing? Did you notice that I was throwing 2 red and 1 blue objects up into the air as I was trying to juggle? Did you notice that I could go for a while and then I dropped them? Did you count how many times I managed to catch it? What did you notice? So we need to think about what you noticed versus what conclusions you drew from what you actually saw in that video. This is the difference between an observation and an inference. So an observation are the things that you saw, the things that your senses tell you. That could be things like the color of my shirt, the color of those juggling bean bags that I was using, how many times I could catch them. If you're in a situation where you're a little closer to it, things you smell, things you taste, although we never taste things in the chemical laboratory, things you hear. All of these are observations. But the question is, what does it mean? Did you watch that and decide that I was just learning to juggle? That's true. Did you perhaps decide it was my first day juggling? That would be false. So your observations might be what your senses tell you, but inference is what those observations mean. And you have to be careful, because while observations are just what you see and what you notice, inference is where you're trying to make meaning. That's where you can make inferences that are incorrect. And so as we're doing science and in chemistry, it's important that you differentiate between what you're observing, what your senses are telling you, and what those things mean. Because sometimes different people will interpret the same observations in different ways, depending on their previous knowledge and experience with a situation. And so for that reason, because making meaning is much more complex, we need to make sure we can differentiate between observation and inference.